Sitting by the fire, feeling oh so fine on this holy night. The Spirit guides us. All the stars they shine on this lovely night. We light up the world, forget our troubles for a moment.
Hi.
Hello.
Y'all, this is just a quick little video. It's for like appetizer for the holidays. Or like what we're going to do is I'm going to use it to put some of my one pot taco soup on. And then I'm going to put cheese and sour cream on the top of it. So it's just an extra little bit of fun thing. But you could actually take these and make some amazing appetizers with them. You could take chopped ham, chop it up real fine, with cream cheese, with onions and peppers, and stuff into the layers of the potato. But this is a spiral potato appetizer. But again, what we're doing with it is we're going to put our one pot taco soup on it, our leftovers. But y'all, welcome back
To Mrs. Pleasures Alive.
and good home cooking. Y'all, I hope everybody has had a wonderful, amazing week. I hope everybody is feeling good. I'm struggling a little bit with some things going on that I will tell you about. Right?
Yeah.
Some of you got something to say? Oh, that's our little sunny sunshine. But y'all, let's go ahead and jump on in here into the kitchen and show you this as an appetizer or as the bottom piece of your meal. Don't forget, never look back, never give up. And what's my other motto? She's forgotten.
Yeah, I don't know.
Waste not, want not.
Waste not, want not.
Waste not, want not, y'all. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all. As you can see, I have spiraled this potato. I did it. Each time I did it in another direction. So it is spiraled. So it's going to look so pretty when it bakes. But again, remember, this could be a wonderful appetizer. In fact, I'll probably make it again and show you all what it would look like as the appetizer. But I'll go ahead and drop the recipe for that appetizer in this video in case you want to go ahead and see it. But anyway, let's get started with that, what we're going to do to it. Okay? Okay, little potato baby. Okay. All right, y'all. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got my olive oil bottle. And I'm going to open up my little potato baby. And we are going to shoot our olive oil all in between this. And on the top, too. Hopefully y'all can see that real good. And we want to make sure, oh, we don't want it to rip. Oh, no. She fell apart right there. Well, she'll be all right. She'll be all right. She's still spiraled in that spot.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is back.
All right, y'all. We have our potato spiral. And I did do a little baby one. I just washed my hand and I'm touching that. But I did do a little baby one and I did spiral it too. But anyway, now we're going to put the seasonings on. It's like once you get some oil in your hands, you can't turn your grinder for your salt or pepper. God, that's hot. Oh my God, no. That fell in there. Okay, organize that drawer again. I know you didn't just sit there and shove my unorganized drawer book.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Look at the potatoes, guys.
Oh my God.
There's the taco soup.
Well, here's what we do. Okay? Gotta bring it over here. Bring our taco soup. Alright, let me get one of these potatoes. So good. Y'all ready for this? Now remember, it could be a holiday appetizer. I'll show you something that you can do with it for a holiday. But you want to make sure that you get it down in those cracks. Okay, you're putting it in there. All right. Now, that needs to go in the microwave because that soup wasn't all the way hot, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, and you do want heavy cheese. So I'm going to put cheese all over that. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Looks like snow.
Alright, so we're going to put this in the microwave to heat it up some more, y'all. We'll be back. We put the cheese. Oh, look at that. Now we're going to just spread sour cream all over the top. Look at that.
Gotta put those onions on there.
And you don't want onion.
Oh, this is his?
Yeah. That's your daddy's. Take a picture.
They don't have to take a picture. Wait.
No, take a picture of me holding it. And I'm looking at it.
It's a cold night, baby,